And now, the nominees for Achievement in Sound Editing. Inception, Richard King. Toy Story 3, Tom Myers and Michael Silvers. Tron Legacy, Gwendolyn Yates-Whittle and Addison Teague. True Grit, Skip Levsey and Craig Berkey. Unstoppable, Mark P. Steckinger.
And the Oscar goes to...
Let's see. Inception.
Richard King.
I owe this 1,000% to Chris Nolan. As artists and craftspeople, it's all about the opportunities we get, and I just want to thank you, Chris, wherever you are, for making great movies and inviting me along for the ride. I want to thank Lee Smith, Emma Thomas, my sound editing crew, who I share this award with, Laura, Gary, and Ed, who are just here, and all my love to my wife, Sue, and my son, Sam. Thank you.